Night falls. As the forest falls silent, a nocturnal assassin begins to awaken. Hidden among the dark branches, the owl silently observes every slightest movement on the ground. Its enormous eyes can see through almost absolute darkness. But the most terrifying thing isn't its eyesight. It's its incredibly sensitive ears that can hear even the tiniest footsteps of prey crawling beneath the thick grass. The mouse is completely unaware that death is locking onto its position from above. Then, the owl swoops down. No sound, no warning, just a shadow gliding through the night. Its unique wings with soft feather edges help it eliminate almost all sound while flying. The prey can't hear anything until the very last second. In the pitch-black forest, the owl flies through the tree trunks with incredible precision. Each wing beat is as light as a breeze. This isn't just hunting, it's the perfect art of assassination created by nature after millions of years of evolution. In the darkness, speed isn't the most dangerous weapon, neither is strength. What makes the owl a nightmare of the night is its absolute silence.